Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this uh, ICF passenger coach over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like there are multiple things. So let's first create this over here. I'll again uh, duplicate it on the other side in this way. I'll just shuffle it a bit at the corner if needed. Let's just zoom this. Let's go over here. I'll again take a box over here. So I'll just select this, convert to poly. Let's select this polygons. I'll slightly give a bit of inset to it if needed. So what I'm doing is we are creating this hook over here. So before that, again go into the poly modeling. Again let's take a swift loop. Let's just scale it from the top. Again let's take one more. Select this, slightly extrude it out a bit over here. Now if you want, you can use arc a bit for that. So let's go into this. You have an arc, so I can just go to the side view over here and I can create an arc over here in this way if needed. So we can just create an arc in this way. Now what I can do is I'll just select this. I can just resize this over here. I'll go into rendering, enable in viewport, and let's give a bit of thickness. Let's go into the rectangular part. So if you want, you can create it with this as well, or else we'll just go over here. Let's take a box over here. I'll just create a box in this way. So convert to poly. So select this. Let's extrude it over here. Again extrude it. Again extrude it. So we can just resize this if needed. Select the vertices. Let's just push it inside and let's just drag it a bit inside in this way. So let's again put one loop over here in this way. After that, let's select this, both the edges. So I'll just select this, all the edges, and let's give a bit of chamfer to it and click OK. Drag this a bit inside. Let's again take a cylinder in this way. So I'll just go over here, reduce the height, convert to poly, select the polygons and extrude it by local normal. Let's click OK. So let's just mirror this, copy it in x axis. We can just drag it over here in this way. So we can just make it smooth later. So I'll just select this. Slightly we can drag this a bit out over here, and let's go into this, and we can attach this both over here. Select the polygons. Let's select the polygons over here. Select the polygons and let's extrude it down. Let's just scale it. Scale it up. Now just drag it more down. Again let's go over here. Again take a cylinder. Again just intersect this and let's slightly give a bit of height to it. Again let's take a cylinder. So just drag it down. So I'll go to the side view slightly. I'll just reduce its radius so I can just drag it in this way. So increase its height if needed. Convert to poly. Let's use a swift loop. Select the vertices, drag it down, and I'll just save the file once. Again take the rectangle, make it as radial over here in this way. So I'll just reduce its thickness, convert to editable spline, select the vertices, let's give a bit of fillet. That's it. Alright. So we'll just keep this over here as it is. So again I'll go to the side view over here. I'll just take a line over here and we'll just create this pipe kind of a stuff over here. So let's just select this whole thing. Resize it. So select this and let's give a bit of thickness to it and drag it down. Isolate it convert to editable poly, select the polygons, again extrude it by local normal in this way, just end isolate this again. So let's go over here. There are multiple things which we will be creating over here. So let's again take a box. Let's activate the auto grid over here. Let's take a box over here. So let's go to the top view, convert to poly, select the polygons, and let's take a swift loop. Just drag this down. Again, let's take a swift loop over here, select the polygons, again extrude it a bit inside, click OK. So again go over here, I'll just push it a bit inside, not much but a bit, in this way, and let's mirror it, copy it in x-axis, we'll just place it over here. So I can slightly scale a bit, so we can slightly just scale this, mirror it, place it over here. Now again let's take a box, I'll just take a box, so just drag it till here, convert to poly, let's select the polygons, I'll slightly just shuffle it a bit inside, I'll scale it from the top in this way. So I can do that over here. Again I'll just take a line tool over here, I'll off this auto grid, I'll just off the auto grid, just drag it, and let's reduce its thickness, select the vertices and slightly give a bit of fillet to it. So I can just add a bit of fillet over here as well if needed. So that can be added over here simultaneously. Now what I can do is I can just go over here, I'll slightly extend this a bit till here. So now if you see this, we do have something hollow kind of stuff over here that can be put up over here. So again I'll go over here, again take a line tool, let's again take a line tool over here, I'll just drag it from here, just shuffle it till here, Alright. So we can just go into this. Let's take again a line tool. I'll off this, delete it. Just drag it in this way. So select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet to it. So just shuffle this up over here and go into again enabling viewport, make it rectangular and reduce its width on this side. So we can make this multiple copies over here. Similarly, I'll again just drag it up over here. Let's rotate it. So let's just push this a bit bigger. Slightly. So let's just make a copy of it. Alright. So let's just again make this a copy over here if needed. So just save the file once again. So this is for so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.